Hi, and welcome to our channel. I'm Priscilla of PLSMITHED, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the Made for Makers Challenge, why you should participate, and how to make the most of your experience. I'm going to share with you the background story, give a brief overview, and go into more detail about each part. Made for Makers is a month-long Instagram challenge where we give you 31 prompts to inspire you for your daily posts. The idea started back in 2020 during COVID lockdown, when Luke and I wanted to provide some inspiration and motivation for other creatives like ourselves. The prompts were short, maybe 1 to 2 words or a phrase. They were funny, some serious, all open-ended. It was really amazing to see what all the people in the community shared, and one of the best parts was meeting so many new people and making great friends. As the platform changes, so does Made for Makers in the way that we adjust the prompts. For example, when Reels were introduced, we kept in mind that participants would be expressing their interpretations through video form. This year is similar to last in that it's fill-in-the-blank style, which allows users to be more connected to their audience, their followers. People want to feel relatable, where your content can be fun and engaging in a natural way. It's all meant to get to know you more and find the ways in which we're connected and how we're different and what makes that so amazing. And of course, you don't have to post Reels. You can do regular photo or carousel posts. A lot of people do stories, and some even take it next level to full-length YouTube videos. The prompts are meant to get you started. The challenge is about you, for you, so do what works for you. Everyone can post on Instagram. It's free advertising. But what's different about Made for Makers is you're going about your posting along a group of people who are inspired by the same topic. It's educational and inspirational to see others' different perspectives in your niche as well as other niches. Let's talk about the giveaways. Over the years, the challenge has grown and changed in many ways, and one of the biggest things that was important to us is to give back to the community however we could. Our purpose is you guys. So we've partnered with a handful of brands to provide you guys with the products such as tools, apparel, and other things that you need to enhance your craft. This is a great opportunity to get some products from a brand you already know and love, or something new that you didn't know you needed. Head to our website to find the instructions on how to enter the giveaways, the links to do so, and see the list of amazing sponsors, which will also include in the description below. Let's talk about my new and favorite hands-on project we're calling the Made for Makers Exchange. What it is, straight to the point, a trade. All month long, you will work on a project based on the theme of unity and togetherness. The goal is, at the end of the month, to trade your item with another maker artist who entered the challenge as well. There are a lot of great things about this. You can document the process, which will help generate content for your posts. You get to show off your skills, and it's really special knowing that someone's gonna get your piece, and you'll also receive a handmade item. You also have the option to submit your work to be shown in our virtual gallery. Head to our website to complete the form where you can upload a photo of your work and provide us with the information so we can assign you with your matched maker. After you submit the form, we'll provide you with the contact information for your exchange partner. If you check the box on the form to be included in the gallery, you'll see that on the last week of our maker meetups, we're gonna have a little exhibition style viewing. We'll look together briefly at everyone's work. You'll have a link to look at your own pace. It will be a really beautiful thing to see everything come together by all the makers, all the projects, and all the hard work that everyone did all month. And we get to hang out in person, so bring your own wine and cheese. Leading up to this virtual exhibit, we thought it would be cool to hang out every week, meet new people, familiar faces, other like-minded creatives that we don't get to see all the time. You can find the dates to the events on our website, along with the links to join and add to your calendar. Made for Makers is really important to us, which is why we bring it back each year. After the first year of Made for Makers, we realized the impact that it had in the community, and we wanted to create a space for the challenge to live all year long. That's when we created And They Make. And why we came up with And They Make as the title is because we're not only makers and artists. There's so much to us as individuals. It's not just a place to be inspired, but also motivated, whether it's to grow your business or your skills. We have Instagram Lives where different people come on and tell us about their process or show a short demo, and lots of nice inspirational quotes to keep you going. Make sure to follow And They Make on Instagram and see the stories where we include a lot more information about Made for Makers throughout the month. Make sure to tag And They Make so we can see your posts and share them as well. If I haven't convinced you yet, let me say again how amazing Made for Makers is, and that it's not just inspiration for your content and your Instagram account, but for your life and your work too. Make sure to visit our website where you'll find everything you need to know about the challenge. If you have any questions or there's something I didn't include in today's video, leave them in the comments below and we'll get back to you as soon and as best as we can. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Here's where we share little peeks inside our daily life, projects, and more. We really hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll join us in the Made for Makers challenge.